Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to vlog number 39. As you guys remember, last week we talked about my friend's broken BB gun. If you don't know, go to the link in the description. I have the link to the last video, so if you haven't seen that, definitely go check it out. So basically, we had a broken piece and we reprinted it with a 3D printer in gold just today. So we have our pre-disassembled gun, and now we're gonna put this piece inside and we'll see if it works or not. Alright guys, so we have our trigger box back, and as you guys can see, the trigger now springs back very normally. So now let's put on the hammer piece and see if it actually works. Okay, so we have the sear or the hammer lock right there in gold, which is pretty obvious, and let's pull the hammer back and see if it locks. Okay, so as you guys can see, this piece is actually locked onto the sear, and let's see if it actually fires. Okay, so it works. It's pretty loud, but it works. So let's put it back and see if it is actually capable of firing a BB. Hey guys, what's up? So we have our fixed gun and also an empty magazine ready. And before we do a test fire, let's just make sure that it actually works. Aim at somewhere there's nothing that you worry about breaking. And apparently it works. So we have some BBs over there, and before we take a test fire, of course we need to get a target. This target, not this target, of course. So let's just quickly staple that on there. Perfect. So now let's go get the gun loaded, and I will see you guys after we have a full magazine. Alright guys, so we have a magazine with 10 BBs inside, and we're gonna load up the gun and test fire on that target. Firing. Alright, clear. Let's go check out the spread of the target. So as we can see, it's pretty centered with a few shots outside of the bullseye. So that might be because of the gun or my aiming, I'm not sure. But comment down below what you guys think I did about the gun. Did you like it? And we might be doing some more accessories like a tactical slide, some sights, etc, because as we can see, the iron sights aren't that good for aiming. So that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, subscribe, and ring the bell on my channel. I will see you guys tomorrow.